I've chose Digital Vidya because I've heard it from my relative that it provides special courses and its courses are amazing. So my name is Shresth and I live in Delhi and right now I'm doing PCA. So I've chose digital marketing because I was interested in it and I want to explore in this field. So I've chose Digital Vidya because I was interested in it and I want to explore much in this field and I've chose Digital Vidya because I've heard it from my relative that it provides special courses and its courses are amazing. So my experience was good. The courses are good and the coordinators are also good. They are well responsive and attentive to our queries in the classes.